This is the elevator at Del Frisco. This is an old Otis modded with PTL. There is absolutely no indicator. It's got a GAL lantern. Here's a Cavio. There's a vacuum in here. It's very nice. Only doing one ride. Oh wow. Let's see if we have a motor. I thought we were going to be low on oil. You know, one more. As for typical New York City fashion, there is one minor tear button for the alarm bell. Door close works. I was on this like I don't know how many years ago, like 5. It's our old Otis label. It's a really nice elevator for just a service. There it goes. Like, I love the wood doors. Look at that. That's cool. That's it.